Jamaica is one of the first countries to have electricity. Yes, you heard that right. The town of Falmouth, Jamaica had electric streetlights. The island began using electricity in 1892, just 13 years after Edison's light bulb invention. Many areas in the U.S. didn't get electricity until the 1930s. Jamaica was shockingly ahead of its time. Here are some facts about Jamaica. 1. Jamaica is home to the fastest man and fastest woman alive. Usain Bolt and Shelly Ann Fraser-Price both hail from small Jamaican towns, not big cities or elite training facilities. 2. It is one of the countries outside Africa where black people are not a minority. Since the 1600s, Jamaica's population has been overwhelmingly of African descent. 3. Jamaica has the most churches. Per square mile, over 2,500 registered churches. And that's not counting the backyard and corner churches. 4. The Blue Mountains. Coffee is one of the most expensive in the world. Grown on steep slopes shrouded in mist, some bags fetch over $100 per pound. 5. A Jamaican scientist helped develop eye drops that treat glaucoma. Dr. Manly West, alongside Dr. Albert Lockhart, created Canasol, the first glaucoma treatment derived from ganja. 6. Ian Fleming wrote all 14 James Bond novels in Jamaica. The 007 legacy was born in Goldeneye, his estate in Oracabessa. 7. The Jamaican national flag is the only one that doesn't share colors with any other. No red, white, or blue, just black, green, and gold, standing strong and proud. 8. Jamaica was the first tropical country to enter the Winter Olympics. The 1988 bobsled team made history and inspired the Disney film Cool Runnings. 9. Ackee is a poison if not prepared right. Our national fruit can be deadly if eaten before it naturally opens, yet we turn it into a breakfast masterpiece. 10. Jamaica has a town called 9 Mile that gave the world Bob Marley. The global icon was born and laid to rest in this tiny village in St. Anne. 11. A 1692 earthquake sank most of Port Royal, the richest, wickedest city on earth. Once called the Sodom of the New World, it sank into the sea in minutes.